With hospital beds at capacity and staffing stretched very thin right now, the Indiana National Guard is stepping in to help out.
In fact, right now, 4 teams are deployed to assist hospitals all around the state, including Ascension St. Vincent on 86th Street.
Tonight, our Lauren Kostick shows us how the partnership works.
Hospitals are being pushed to their limits.
We've just experienced a tremendous amount of fatigue.
Even though the state is starting to see a dip in cases, hospitals are still overwhelmed. That's because it typically takes 2 or 3 weeks to see a decline in patients. That's why the National Guard is here assisting nurses and doctors at Ascension St. Vincent, giving some temporary relief. The team started last Friday.
Having this team from the National Guard come in has just really been very helpful. It's provided a respite for that team, certainly a morale boost to see them there. They're eager, jumping in.
Terry Metzger is the chief operating officer at Ascension St. Vincent. He said they applied for help last week, receiving a team of 15 members.
2 days later, we actually had a team here and orienting with our staff.
And here's how the partnership works. There are 5 teams consisting of usually 10 people, 4 medics and 6 general support staff. They are called the Hospital Crisis Response Team. Once a hospital applies, a team will be deployed for 7 to 14 days. This allows hospitals to fill ongoing resources and staffing needs. But it's only for hospitals that have exhausted all other options.
The medics' duties include helping with IVs and blood draws at the nurse's direction, administering EKGs, and providing immunizations and COVID-19 testing, and also helping respiratory therapy.
And the general support staff will focus more on cleaning and delivering meals, so nurses can focus more on taking care of patients.
Just having those extra hands there is very helpful to those nurses and that staff.
The state is also working with other hospitals to determine if help is needed, knowing how exhausted employees are after 18 long months.
And we asked Ascension St. Vincent if the extra help is needed because of the vaccine requirement, and they said that they have employees who have concerns, but that's not the reason. At this time, the staff is required to get the shot. The deadline is in November.